Right now, above you, the sky is making a sound, and humans can't hear it, but animals can. There's a natural signal happening in the atmosphere every single day. It's called infrasound, extremely low-frequency vibrations created by storms, oceans, volcanoes, even wind hitting mountains. Humans can't detect it, but animals can hear it from miles away. Elephants start moving before a storm appears. Birds suddenly go silent before earthquakes. Even your pets might act strange without any reason, because they are reacting to a sound that exists. But your ears will never pick up. What's even creepier, scientists still don't fully understand everything that creates these signals. But one thing is clear, the world around you is louder than you think. You just weren't built to hear it.